Okay, let's look at shipping here. We are under WooCommerce, WooCommerce settings, shipping. We're in shipping. Under shipping zones, we're going US. I don't think we need to add, I don't think you're doing international or whatever, so let's not worry about that right now. Um, Local pickup, this option comes with WooCommerce and it was built in, so it's good to go. This one I added, local drop off. So in here, it's just a flat rate of $5. Save changes. Flat rate, we have some, I'm gonna get rid of this. We need to get rid of this one. So flat rate, you've got options. It either starts at a certain rate and then you can increase it incrementally, like per item added to the thing, or with what's happening with these is like a small envelope, we're going to ship a postcard to somebody for 75 cents. I know this is the rate for a priority USPS envelope that you'd be able to put like a t-shirt in. Um, there's a larger priority package you'd probably be able to fit some other stuff in. And then I think you'd mentioned previously media rate was $5. So we've got these other classes going on here. I want to get rid of this one thing though, shipping classes. This one, we're going to remove this. Okay, save those. Okay, so we've got a variety of shipping options now. We've got under shipping zones and under the US, we have flat rate, local, and local pickup and local drop off. Might as well make this look nice like the other ones. Local pickup. And then might as well do that on this one too, flat rate. Okay, so we've got these three methods. Now what we need to do is go into products, all products, poster. We're going to edit this poster and we're going to assign it a class. Down here under shipping, shipping class, no shipping class. So now we can get into these options here. So the $5 media rate, is that going to work? Is it going to have to be in some kind of priority? You're going to need to figure out how much a tube is going to cost to send that, or a small envelope. So now, like with postcards, you can just drop all of them as small envelope. T-shirts are probably going to need to go into some other variation of this. There could be like a t-shirt pricing thing, like what can you stuff a t-shirt into for regular delivery. So this poster, we're going to go ahead, I don't think it's going to be able to ship for $5. We're just going to call it media rate anyways. Soul of America. We're in the Soul of America poster item. We're going to go ahead and update that. So now what I want to do is jump over to the site and show you what's happening live. Let's see here. Get this out of the cart. And we're going to go to the shop. And okay, here we are at the shop. We're going to go and that poster, because we can filter by category now. Here's Soul of America. We're going to add it to the cart. We're going to view our cart now. And what we should be seeing now is we've got flat rate of $5, which is, this is the one that we're going to have to program per item. And you're going to need to figure out the rates for those. So that's the per item guide that we got from, let's go back to that. So again, we're going to go from WooCommerce to settings to shipping. And then under US, we're going to go to flat rate And in flat rate, we can edit these. So this media rate is $5. Priority is that. And if we wanted to add another one for a poster tube or something like that, that's when you'd go to shipping classes and add a shipping class. I'll just do that for the sake of argument here. We're going to go poster tube, and the slug is going to be tube, and we're going to add that class. Oops, we already added that class. We're going to save it. So then under shipping, that's not what shipping zones, and then under zone name back in the US. And now under flat rate, we've added poster tube. And the poster tube is going to be whatever, $6.50. Maybe you can ship that thing for like $4.50, but the tube's $2, like whatever, you got to figure that kind of thing out. So then we're going to go to products and all products, and we can go to Soul of America poster and edit that. And we're going to say, you know what? Because we're going to ship this thing in a tube, you got to go with poster tube. That's your rate. So we're going to update that. And then when we're back over here, do a hard refresh on that and see what. So now it's saying, hey, we're doing flat rate, but it knows it's a poster, so it applied that $6.50 rate instead. We can go local pickup, and that's just $25, or we can go local drop off, and now it's $30. So that's already included. So there's your local drop off made for you. There's local pickup. It's this flat rate that you're going to need to do some calculations on and do some editing. So again, we're going to go to settings and shipping. So shipping classes is where we're going to make all of these different ones that live underneath flat rate. And then under shipping zones in the US, under flat rate, that's where you edit the prices. And if you need to add another shipping class, you can have as many as you want. And that's going to be under shipping classes and add shipping class. So I hope that is helpful. That really actually explaining it makes me understand it a little bit better too. But yeah, so it's that second step that you're going to need to go through each of the products. And so now we go to like a gift certificate. Like that's going to go in an envelope. So the shipping on that, you don't need priority. You're just going to give that one a small envelope and update it. And then, for example, all products, I think there was maybe one record in there. Posters, random class struggle, t-shirts and swags, postcards. Uncategorized. Yeah, so that's basically what we're doing there. Here's something else too. If you want, for the main page, you can go into sorting. And this puts you in a different sort of mode here where you can then go and drag and drop your merch into the order that you want, ideally. Okay, so we're going to put all the t-shirts first. Maybe that's a good way to organize things. And you can see here that we've got 2 pages going on. So anyways, we've got these 2 shirts at the top. The other shirts are probably on page 2. We're just going to leave that for now, but we're going to go ahead and click apply. And then one thing that's going to be really handy in WordPress, not a lot of folks know about this little trick here, but under screen options, we can go ahead and the number of items per page. We can bump this up to 40 and apply. So that way when you want to do sorting, which we're still in sorting, you should be able to get to all of the t-shirts now. Okay, so here we're going to grab this t-shirt and move him up too. And it's kind of it's what you see is what you get kind of a thing with this. It does work. It's not awesome, but it works. So get this guy up here. So you can put the two Alice Coltrane shirts in a row. And put the Wreckers maybe after that. I think you can, yeah, you can kind of push up into no man's land until the screen goes down for you. So at that point, you've got the first, all the t-shirts in a row. Go ahead and hit apply there. And then when we go back to the shop, ideally, you got your t-shirts up first. So that's another thing too, if you want to organize the shop. That's not going to work once you go over to here. I mean, it may default to have just those shirts first, which looks like it did. Very nice. But yeah, you can organize all these things in whatever kind of order you want. So there's another thing. So that was kind of shipping and shop ordering put together in one tutorial. Hit me up if you got questions on that. Cool.